Hi, kids! Are you ready to learn the ABCs with amazing animals? Let's start!
A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for eel. F is for frog. G is for goose. H is for hermit crab. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for owl. P is for polar bear. Q is for quail. R is for rooster. S is for shark. T is for turtle. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra.